How to reset Visual Studio Code to default settings. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you simply need to do is just tap on the settings application of your device. As you tap on the settings, all you need to do is just scroll down and tap on apps. Then tap on manage apps, and as you tap on manage apps, tap on the search bar and search for the application over here. So all you have to do is just search for Visual Studio Code over here. So tap on it, and as you tap on it, scroll down, and here you can see the option of clear data, or just tap on storage and you'll be able to see the option of clear data at the bottom of the screen. So you just have to tap on that and you can clear the data. As you clear the data, you'll be able to reset Visual Studio Code to default settings. After that, you can simply just make a long press and power button and then tap on reboot and restart the device. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.